right, well, chances are you're thinking about the perfect toy for your child this holiday season, right? Or anybody you have to buy gifts for, children. But after this next segment, you're going to want to think twice about maybe everything you've already bought.
Yeah, I think that's a really smart point. Dr. Arlene Roper from Southwestern Eye Center, an optometrist, joining us this morning.
Yes.
And you have an array of toys here that we would say maybe are on the naughty list, right?
Yes.
According to you and your,
Absolutely.
and your expert medical opinion will say.
Yes.
Now, why is that?
Well, because anything that shoots with a lot of force can actually hit the eye and can cause damage to the eye. This last week I saw a patient who his son had hit him in the eye with a Nerf gun. One of the darts hit him in the eye and it actually caused a traumatic iritis. It caused a blood vessel to break, filled his eye with blood, and we're having to treat it that way.
Oh, boy.
So it can be very dangerous. You have to be very, very careful. A lot of these toys you have to be careful. The darts, they look soft, but a lot of them have really hard tips. And so when that hits the eye, it's going to cause a problem with it.
Sure. Okay, so your best advice is just to avoid these kind of toys altogether?
If at all possible, or if they are going to use it, you need to make sure that it's done under parental supervision, that they're not shooting it at another person. This is an actual BB gun. Even little girls, they make them in pink nowadays, so little girls even want to shoot them. So, you know, I've seen BBs in the eye, things like that. You have to be very, very careful.
Well, and I think this is so iconic around this time of year because of A Christmas Story and, you know, lots of kids relating to Ralph because they want a BB gun, but really, you can shoot your eye out, or you at least get very hurt. And we do want to mention, actually, toy-related injuries have gone up 40% over the last 20 years, so you've definitely seen that increase.
Absolutely. There's I guess a corporation or a industry called Watch, that's World Against Toys Causing Harm.
Okay.
And they're the ones who rate these toys as to if they're dangerous for the eyes and for the body.
Okay, and see, we would see something like this and would think, hey, maybe this is good, okay for it, but you're saying this could go either way or it's on the naughty list.
Well, it can be. Again, you know, these things say they shoot 20 feet. This one says it shoots 100 feet. This one says it shoots 145 feet. So the farther they shoot, the more force it's going to have. If an adult grabs that really close to an eye and shoots it like that, it's going to hit right in the eye and cause harm.
Allison, what's that called?
This here?
Yeah.
It says it's the cow popper.
Oh, the cow popper.
Yeah,
okay.
so it's a fun one. And you know what? I have to mention this too because the Hunger Games and everything, I feel like these are becoming so popular. Lots of people wanting to do this kind of stuff, but these too can cause some harm.
Again, as long as you're shooting at a non-person object, then you're set.
All
Okay.
right.
Dr. Arlene Roper, thank you so much for joining us.
Appreciate it.
Keeping everyone safe
thank
this
you so
holiday,
much.
taking
We
action
appreciate
for us.
it. All right, guys. Much